Hi everyone, my name is Alexander Holmstedt, and today we're going to unbox and review the Bose 700 UC headset. And this headset I have been waiting a long time to get hold of and do a test of. And in the earlier years before I got into the UC space, the Bose Quiet Comfort was my daily driver for listening to music while working. So I'm really excited to see that Bose have entered the UC space with a Teams certified headset. So let's take a look and unbox this. Take a look at what's inside the box here. You have the travel case and a simple instruction manual. So let's take that away. And the travel case itself is pretty slim to be a headset case and very hard and sturdy. It's almost got like a leather feel to the skin of it. Let's open it up. And inside you have the headset itself. Let's put that aside at first. And you have a USB dongle to connect to your PC. And this is what makes the headset Teams certified. The USB dongles, you have high quality audio to your headset in Teams meetings. And you also have this clever little room here that's closed by a magnet lid. And inside here you have the USB-C charging cable and a jack cable if you need to use a jack cable, for example when watching movies on an airplane or you don't want to use wireless. So let's take away the travel case and take a look at the headset itself. And the build quality of the headset is very good, I think. High quality, and it's very soft feel to the cushions here. And the headband is also very nice made. And the adjustment is pretty clever here. You can do like this. And let's take a look here. You have a button here. This is to adjust the noise cancellation. You can preset 3 different levels. And you have the power on button and Bluetooth connectivity. And you also have a dedicated Teams button here. If you press this button, it automatically brings up Teams or joins a meeting that's starting. And you have the charging port here and the jack connection, and here you can see some holes, and this is 4 microphones. So going to be interesting to see how the audio quality is in calls later when testing. And they are clearly marked which way you should put them on. So now I have unboxed it, and I've also been using it for a couple of days, both for music and for Teams meetings. For the music part, it has the high audio quality that I was used to before from Bose. The audio is very crisp and clear, has a good bass and mid-tone, and it's overall a very good audio experience. I also tested a bit with the Teams meetings. It's an okay headset. The audio from other participants are very good to hear, so it's good to listen to voice on it. And the other way, the audio quality is okay. It's not the best. It's kind of a little bit boxy, but that's what you kind of expect from a headset that has built-in microphones. And so it can't really compete with the headset that has a boom mic. But for a really compact and great audio experience headset that's easy to take with you on the go, I would rather use this than using a headset with a boom mic. But maybe choose another headset for those long meetings with a lot of talking. But as your daily driver for listening to music and maybe a couple of short meetings, it's okay to use this headset. So let's jump into the Teams meeting so you can experience the audio quality for yourself. Okay, so let's do a bit of testing of the audio in a Teams meeting so we get a correct picture of how they perform in a Teams setting. So I'm just going to ramble away talking, see how the audio quality is after I stop this recording. So this is just a test to see how my audio is after I'm leaving the meeting and stop the recording. So let's see how this goes. And of course, noise cancellation is superb as always with Bose headset. Just forgot to mention it in my initial recording. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Bose 700 UC. It's my first YouTube video, so it's going to be a learning process, but I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully there will be more videos like this.